Hello viewers, welcome to Khala Jan's kitchen. My name is Farkhanda and today I'm going to be making mixed sabzi, which is basically mixed vegetables. I'm using potatoes, eggplant, cauliflower and cabbage. You can use peas, carrots. It's a popular dish in our house and I make it at least once a week with different mixes of vegetables. For our mixed sabzi or mixed vegetables, I've taken today two medium-sized potatoes which have been cut into 8 pieces each, one small eggplant which is cut up, 10 to 12 florets of cauliflower, and 1 cup of shredded cabbage. Besides that, we'll need 1/3 cup oil, half a cup tomato puree, handful of fresh curry leaves, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon black mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon whole cumin seeds, half a teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon chilli flakes, half a teaspoon salt or to taste, 1 tablespoon ground cumin, and 1 tablespoon ground coriander. Okay, now let's start. I have put my pot on high heat and I will let the pot heat up. I'm going to put 1/3 cup of oil now and let the oil heat up. The oil has now heated up, and to that I'm going to add my whole cumin seeds and the black mustard seeds and cook them for a little bit until they start sizzling for a few seconds. To this, I'm going to add the curry leaves. Now, the curry leaves are washed and there's still some residual water in it and it is going to splatter. So after I put the curry leaves, I put the lid on and let it cook until I no longer hear the splattering sound. I'm no longer hearing the splattering sound, so I'm going to take the lid off and I'm going to start by putting the rest of the ingredients in. I'm going to start with putting the 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, half a cup of the tomato puree, and all the spices. We are going to mix it well and let it cook for maybe half a minute. Now this has been cooking for a bit and now I'm going to add all the vegetables. Now that the vegetables are in, we are going to mix it with all the spices that we put in earlier and really mix it well and then let it cook for a little bit. Just a reminder that up till now we have been cooking all of this on high heat. At this stage, we'll need 1 cup of water. Our mixed vegetables have been cooking for a bit now and I've taken 1 cup of water. I'm going to add half a cup now, and if you are using 3 fresh tomatoes which have been crushed, then you only need half a cup because the tomatoes have their own liquid. I've added half a cup of water now and I'm going to let it cook for a bit. We are going to mix the vegetables with the water completely and keep on stirring. At this stage, the heat is still on high. We have been stirring it for a while now, and I'm going to add the rest of the half a cup of water. I'm not going to add more than that, as the vegetables have their own moisture and they're going to release it while they're cooking. At this stage, I'm going to lower the heat to minimum and cover the pot and let them cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. In between, I'm going to keep on stirring so that it doesn't burn. It has been cooking for about 20 minutes now. In between, I have been stirring it so that it doesn't burn. Uh, it has released some oil, and the potatoes, cauliflower, and the eggplant are all done. At this stage, I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of garam masala and a handful of fresh coriander. I'm going to stir the vegetables again so that the garam masala and the coriander is all mixed in, and shut the heat off. Our vegetables are ready to serve now. Our dish is now ready to serve. I have used some cilantro and some green chilies for garnish and flavor. I hope you enjoy making this dish. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.